Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today, I would like to introduce you this new baby, the Korg PA 1000. This is an incredible keyboard MIDI arranger, and we're just gonna go over it a little bit, have a little demo on it, see the in and outside of this beautiful and expensive keyboard. Yeah, is it one of the PS series, the 1000 series PA? And when you turn it off, this is what you will see on the screen. When the screen pops, this is what you will see. And this keyboard has a lot of capabilities. This is the microphone voice feature. You got two slot. I mean, two uh, magneto player, one and two. Like DJ DAWs. You can have like the mixer here, the fader for the left side to play and right for the right side to play. You got two input, two CDs input, something like that. All right, there we go. Here you got the volume, the balance, and there's a lot of style on it. A lot. When I say a lot, there's a lot. Man, I'll tell you, man. If you need to get the keyboard, a good arranger keyboard, you should go for this Korg PA 1000. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna just play something here real quick so you can see what I've already done with this beautiful and incredible keyboard. I have myself try to produce some beats, that I name on the user. I started from here and I'll save it on the user account. So basically, this is it. Yeah, I'm like you can hear with my accent. I'm from Ivory Coast. I'm the French-speaking country. So I've made some some style, you know, Zoglo, which is some a style of music from my country. It's praise, some type of praise that you can play at church, Seben, Congolese music, stuff like that. That's what I made. I made it by myself. Was trying to, see how it plays. Let's go. Put the volume up a little bit. There we go. This doesn't make you swing, isn't it? I know you swing already. Okay, you can increase the tempo, the speed right here. Let's put it on. There we go. You can decrease tempo, the speed right here. It's a very flexible keyboard. You can, if you want to play, and they gave you a option of four instruments to play. You can use the accordion. Can use the piano. Let's use and you can also, while you play, you can change the sound of the piano. come here and just use the electric piano. There we go. There's a lot of things you can do with this. This is some African groove. And also, look what I got in front of me. A microphone. So while you play, you can also sing. You see? There we go. Let me turn the microphone on. This is a cheap microphone that I got from Washington Music Center. Cheap microphone by pretty good. That's what I want. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let me open the microphone. It's mute. Just have to mute it like this. There we go. Can you hear me? Let's play. All right. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, this is like yeah, it's like the full responsive keyboard that you can use for a very much things. Play in a band. He has a good effect. You got the reverb. Hello. Yes. Come here, there's a lot of effect. Even there's some harmony effect. You come here, you pick this one, the harmony, these two. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da-da. I'm not a, I'm not a very incredible singer, but I can just put some voice out there. There we go. That was a little introduction with the PA 1000 Korg. This is it. The color is kind of burgundy and black, and the screen is also you can change the level of the screen, like open it, adjust it, one, like this. You see? I mean, anything that can make you comfortable to while you walk. Tired, you just put it back and lock it right here. Bang. Okay, there we go. That was everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. The next time will be in depth. We're gonna go deep in depth in the keyboard. I will show you how to load a song. I'll show you how to record a song from the keyboard, put it in your USB drive, your MP3. Yeah, put the song in MP3 and put it to your USB flash drive and play it where you want. You can play in your car, play at the party, play where you want. That's a lot of things, it's a lot of buttons right here, but every one of them has its functions. Thank you so much to follow me. If you like it, you know what to do. Put the thumb up. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.